Hello! I am filming with my new camera right now, and I just wanted to give you guys a really quick update on my skin. I have been using the Banish Acne System, as some of you may know, and I've been having really good results with it. And it's a beautiful day here in Vancouver. The sun is about to set, and I am about to wash up and actually do the kit. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on my skin because I ran into a photo of what my skin looked like before starting the system, and there's been a lot of changes to the skin, I will say. So this is the condition of my skin right now. You see, still some scars, but actually like only one little breakout right here. But besides that, my skin has been doing very, very good. Here's a photo and video of what it looked like before. I'll add to that through post-production. And basically, I just wanted to say that the kit really does work. I know it sounds really scary, the system. If you guys don't know too much about it, I'm going to link my first video where I talk about what the Banish Acne System is. It's basically like a derma roller, so it's basically a little gadget with little micro needles in it, and then you roll it across your skin maybe once a week, and basically that will create little tears in your skin, which will help repair the scar tissue because it's gonna kick up your skin's ability to rebuild collagen and all that good stuff. So yeah, I've been having really good results with it, and I actually filmed a demo of me using the kit basically a week ago. I will look a little bit different in that video because my hair is a little bit longer, but I will include that at the end of this video as well. But in any case, I just wanted to show a quick before and after of what my skin looked like, as well as show you guys a quick demo of me using it, the whole kit, which will be included at the end of this video. And I also kind of wanted to share this really beautiful sunset with you guys. It's like, I feel like summer is approaching very fast. Now, time for the demo. What was I doing there? Was I waving? So let's do this. And you want to go lightly and in one direction, like that. And if you have active pimples, you want to avoid that. But luckily, in my case right now, my skin has been doing good, so I don't have any of that. And it actually doesn't hurt at all. Which is surprising because it's like you're rubbing needles on your skin. And then make sure you get your neck. Oh, that one kind of hurt a little bit. And then we're gonna go on this side. And I'm going to insert probably a clip of what my skin looked like before the treatment, just so you guys have an idea of how far I've been coming along with it and the results that I've been getting. And then I go around here too because, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I've got some scarring there too. Okay, so I'm back with the Banish Oil. This is a vitamin C serum, and it is pretty much the key to repairing your skin after the derma rolling. So you apply, I like to apply like 4 drops. Rub it in your skin and just be gentle and apply it. So since the skin has it's been damaged essentially, it's going to activate the collagen production in your skin, and the vitamin C is just going to be able to enter the skin a lot easier, and it's going to go in and help fade your scars. And then you are done. This is what I do once a week to treat my acne, the acne scarring I mean. The vitamin C serum actually makes your skin tingle a little bit. But in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just want to share a first glimpse into my new apartment, as well as just kind of getting unready with me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until next time, bye.